Maintaining your firearm. Cleaning and lubrication is crucial for ensuring the longevity, reliability, and performance of your firearm. Here are 5 captivating and mind-blowing facts about the importance of cleaning and lubricating your firearm. Precision machinery demands precision care. Firearms are intricate, precision machines, and it's mind-blowing to realize that the tolerances within these mechanisms are often measured in thousandths of an inch. Proper cleaning and lubrication ensure these components work seamlessly, preventing wear and tear that could impact accuracy and functionality. Fouling affects accuracy. The mind-blowing fact is that even a small amount of residue or fouling can significantly impact your firearm's accuracy. Regular cleaning helps remove debris, ensuring that your gun performs at its best when it matters most. Rust can be sneaky and destructive. It's surprising how quickly rust can form on metal surfaces, especially in environments with high humidity. The mind-blowing fact is that even microscopic rust can impair your firearm's functionality. Regular cleaning and lubrication create a protective barrier, preventing corrosion and maintaining your gun's reliability. Lubrication isn't a one-size-fits-all. The incredible fact is that different parts of your firearm may require different types of lubrication. From high-temperature, heavy-duty oils for moving parts to lighter lubricants for contact points, understanding your firearm's needs is key. Proper lubrication not only ensures smooth operation, but also prevents excessive wear. Neglect can lead to catastrophic failures. It's alarming to realize that neglecting cleaning and lubrication can lead to catastrophic failures. Accumulated dirt, debris, and lack of lubrication can result in malfunctions or even dangerous situations. Regular maintenance is the key to preventing such catastrophic failures. In summary, maintaining your firearm through proper cleaning and lubrication isn't just about aesthetics. It's about preserving the integrity of a precision instrument. These facts underscore the critical role of regular maintenance in ensuring your firearm's reliability and longevity.